Okay, first attempt fail. So which means that ukata usapile and this at least put our eyes and ears and heart at ease because probably there is still a little bit of hope when it comes to Isaac Mulapo, him being in jail and Kata still alive in the hospital. So the first attempt that Ezekiel's minion tried to do failed because a nurse or I don't know matron walked in while he was trying to do whatever he was doing and then he was then kicked out. So I'm just glad, or maybe I just wish that they can take Kata somewhere else so that Agwazuglulama before somebody with the sticky fingers tries to do something that is illegal. So on the other hand, where Ezekiel says that if Kata wakes up, we've got a big problem than we already have in our hands because if he wakes up, then itlo ira gore go be le dipotso tse dingata ngata tse leng gore ga rena dikarabo tsa tsone. So we just want him gore a tsamaye ha ka tsamaya gore go tsamayeng ha hae gore go tsamaya ha Isaac and ha Isaac a tsamaile gore it's a free reign from me. So which means gore batho bo botlhe bo dependa ko nna ka ntho onngwe le nngwe ba ka se tlo tlhola ba nagana ka Isaac because Isaac ba mmitsa molai. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Dimadekwana, sanibonani, avuxeni, molweni, minjhani? Hi pfukile hi ngo n'wina. So namuntlha kwa hina wa House of Zwide hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle looking at the fact that the protest still continues, but this time around in the courts. Now, is it court or jail? Jail. Now, people are saying that they want Isaac Molapo to not get a bail because if he comes back, he is a danger to the community. So, look at how biased people are. Look at how spiteful people can be. Not so long ago, Isaac Molapo was the hero of the community. Now, Sebabone Lumlisa Lo Oza, a lion in a sheepskin, saying that yena uzobasiza now bachenje ichuni bathi ke no Isaac Molapo akafele jail. But again, on the other hand, again, Onalerune's show went well. Well, of course, with a little bit of glitch. I mean, what's a show without a showstopper? So now she went live and her line, and then she had a technical glitch that actually made Faith to come back to her in the morning and said, "You have messed up big time." While I was still holding my heart, I'm like, "Oh no, it means that nobody was buying." Guess what? They were sold out in an hour, which obviously is the Zobutle magic that she always carries around with. Remember, this is a Funani Zwide's child, so she's bound to make it happen. She's bound to win. So she was sold out in an hour, and that everybody is talking about to a point where when she comes to work, she was then handed a double volume of bouquets because they are shocked and surprised. Guti, who can only pull that? Who can pull Istansu Guti sold out in an hour's time? That is beyond crazy. That is madness. And everyone else is just excited about it. And I'm happy that even Mampo this time around, Leah no tabile, she does not have some stunt to pull. But speaking of Mampo, because brother cousin is not really coming through, eh? And the questions that he's being asked, he's not really answering them. How far is the dress and what's going on? And I just hope that he's not going to jeopardize Letsatsi la Mampo because Gunga Matala. I'm telling you. Well, Maria is just happy that everything went well and with the conversation between her, Gele and Mom Poshi was giving her feedback and everyone was happy about it. But at the end of the day, people are still not happy because the protest yaya nalapha kumlifi bathi bona ayivalwe ke ilona ikhawash umlifi athi niyabheda ayizwenzakala lento leyo. But at the end of the day, the show must indeed continue now, mustn't it? So at least the car wash is not closed and Mulifa's business is still continuing as usual. But the problem is for the fact that Horikata Wapila now Ezekiel Utlakama Krika Ama Asha so that they can go back and finish off what they have started. I don't know why Lentele Yang Tusanga Parate Moyen. Now lawyer, Mrs. Lawyer or Miss Lawyer Isaac told Isaac ukuthi if anything does not change with Ukata, or if Ukata kwenzekala ukuthi uyashona, just know ukuthi it changes the whole scenario and the whole setup from attempted to ukuthi wena ungumbulali. So which is probably a very big problem for him. Now, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up.